Now this is my favorite bamboo reed. It's the 3-strength Vandoren reeds for my V16 mouthpiece. 3-strength reeds are better for intermediate players. If you want to step up your playing really quickly, get 3s sooner rather than later. It'll help you develop as a saxophone player and give you more authority in the room when you're playing the saxophone. And as you can see, I've almost gone through all of them. I actually don't even want to open the package because I like these reeds so much, but for my audience, I will. As you can see, it's not tapered here. Each reed comes with a serial number, so you can tell that this is a genuine Vandoren V16 from Paris, France. It is superior. The grain is fairly even. As you can see, there's a space here, but the shape is very good. It looks like it was measured properly when it was being processed. And this is my favorite reed by Vandoren. If you get the V16 mouthpiece, you've gotta put these reeds on. It's going to make that mouthpiece sound its best. This is by far my favorite reed. It always sounds great. It gave me a signature sound in high school and in college that nobody else had. And that was unique for me and those who listen to my saxophone playing. So don't miss out on a reed like this, and I hope you enjoy your playing.